Are cheap carabiners safe? When it comes to survival kits, the gear you choose can make a big difference. One item that often gets overlooked is the carabiner. You might wonder if cheap carabiners are safe to use in critical situations. Let's break it down. First, safety ratings are essential. Carabiners designed for climbing or safety applications usually have a minimum breaking strength of around 5,000 pounds. This means they can handle significant forces without failing. Cheap carabiners often do not meet these strength requirements. They may have much lower ratings, which can lead to breaking when you need them most. Next, consider safety standards. Reliable carabiners comply with strict guidelines like ANSI Z359, UIAA, and C. These certifications ensure the carabiner has been tested for strength and durability. Unfortunately, many cheap carabiners lack these certifications, increasing the risk of failure. Locking mechanisms are another critical factor. For survival situations, you want carabiners with secure locking gates. These gates should requiring a deliberate action to open, preventing accidental openings. Cheap carabiners often have simple gates that can open unexpectedly, leading to potential mishaps. Material quality matters too. High-quality carabiners are made from durable materials like forged aluminum or steel. They are manufactured with precision to ensure they can withstand heavy use. In contrast, cheap carabiners might use inferior materials, which can result in defects and a shorter lifespan. In practical survival applications, carabiners are used for various tasks, such as securing gear, building shelters, or rigging equipment. Using a cheap carabiner in these situations can lead to sudden failure, causing injury or loss of important gear. Investing in certified carabiners that can handle at least 5,000 pounds of strength ensures reliability when it counts. In summary, cheap carabiners are generally not safe for survival or life safety purposes. They often lack necessary strength ratings, safety certifications, and reliable locking mechanisms. For building a personal survival kit, always choose carabiners that are certified and rated for high strength. This way, you can be confident in their performance when you need them the most.